Hello guys. If your DisplayLink 4K docking station suddenly stops detecting a monitor and the screen stays blank or never appears on your computer, it can feel frustrating, especially when everything worked normally before. Sometimes the DisplayLink 4K docking station powers connected accessories but the monitor never turns on, while other times the computer recognizes the dock but completely ignores the display. A situation like this can happen because of loose cables, display settings, temporary docking glitches, or connection interruptions that are easy to overlook. Before assuming something major completely stopped working, there are a few simple things worth checking because many display link 4K docking station monitor problems can improve after quick adjustments. In this video, let's go through several easy steps to help fix a DisplayLink 4K docking station not detecting a monitor. Try these. Step 1. Disconnect and reconnect the DisplayLink 4K docking station to the computer carefully. Step 2. Check the monitor cable attached to the DisplayLink 4K docking station if the screen stays blank. Step 3. Open display settings on the computer and search for monitors linked to the DisplayLink 4K docking station. Step 4. Restart the DisplayLink 4K docking station if the monitor still does not appear normally. Step 5. Try another display port on the DisplayLink 4K docking station if connection problems continue. Step 6. Test the DisplayLink 4K docking station again and confirm the monitor starts working properly.